So guys, a lot of you have had this question. I've had this question. I wish we wouldn't have this question. But that question is, where is my CPS on my 1999 to 2004 SAAB 9.5 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine? And guys, it's actually a bit more simple than we think. It's right down here below the manifold. The CPS, or the crankshaft position sensor, is located just to the left and above that oxygen sensor. Let me try and get a better view from it from below the car. So guys, I am now beneath the car to try and get a better shot of the crankshaft position sensor. It's actually a lot harder to see from down here than I thought without jacking up the car. But it is right there behind the heat shield, following that oxygen sensor line up a bit to the right. So if you guys are still absolutely confused on what your crankshaft position sensor looks like, it looks like this. That bolts down into the engine, or the engine block, with one bolt. I think I misspoke and said two before. It's one to remove the heat shield, one to remove the crankshaft position sensor. And that's what it looks like. The electrical connector comes up to the top of the engine and plugs in. But if you've removed that, or if you're looking to buy one online, it's going to look like this. I don't necessarily suggest taking this one off before you look for one to purchase online. Just put in the year and model of your car and you should be able to find the right one. It's a pretty easy fix. It's a very easy repair. It took me like 5 minutes to do. It might take you guys less if you have a lift. That is the crankshaft position sensor.